Hey, so if you own a business and you want to know why that business isn't showing up in search, stick around and I'll help you understand exactly why your website isn't ranking currently on Google. Before we get into that though, I'm Don Davis. I own a digital media marketing agency. We focus in on helping companies with their websites and SEO, social media marketing, and also with live events. So as we hop in here today, there are typically a couple of different areas that I want every business owner to take a look at with regards to their particular website. Primarily starting with the errors that could possibly be happening on the website itself. As you look at your website, if there are things like images that are too big, things that don't load properly between mobile and desktop, and also, any sort of other technical issues with the overall site itself, that could be one reason why Google is not sending people to your site. The primary way to find out whether or not if your website has errors is to ask somebody like a digital media marketing agency to create an SEO audit for you. This is something that we're offering for free for companies that would like to take a deeper look at their overall website performance and how to improve the ranking that they're currently seeing on the internet. The second item here are the keywords on your website. Do you have the specific thing that people are out there searching for when they're trying to solve the problems that they currently have? Best auto mechanic in my area, best legal advice in my area. Those sort of things would help you overall rank higher from a local perspective, but also what other problems does your business actually and more specifically solve? If those keywords are included inside of your website, in blog articles, on pages inside of your website, there's a good chance then that people will find your website when they're trying to solve their particular problem. You also, though, need to look at the competition. What does the competition currently have that your website doesn't currently offer? And then lastly, backlinks. So do you currently have links to your site where people are referencing your site for specific things? Those backlinks really do help you establish the fact that you are somebody that is more trusted in terms of providing information with regards to specific things that you can help solve. The way that Google phrases all of this is using the acronym EEAT. EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Each of the items above impact the experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness of your site. All of these items then contribute to whether or not if Google is sending your website closer to the top of the rankings in the search results or further down to the bottom. To help you address all of these items, I've created an SEO checklist that you can download. The link's below in the description so that you can go there and actually get the checklist and start looking at your overall website. Also, though, if you'd like to schedule a free SEO strategy session, we'd be happy to go through with you one-on-one all of the errors that currently exist on your website and any sort of things that you could actually do to improve the overall performance of your website on Google. If this video has helped you, please click the like and subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching.